In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to install and run locally the AI model Qwen3-TTS on the Windows with Conda.
Qwen3-TTS is an open-source series of TTS models developed by the Qwen team at Alibaba Cloud, supporting stable, expressive, and streaming speech generation, free-form voice design, and vivid voice cloning. Let's get started!
Step 1. Install Miniconda package. Navigate to Anaconda.com download. Register with Anaconda, if desired. Scroll down past the Anaconda distribution installers and select the 64-bit Windows Miniconda installer. Recommended, verify the integrity of your installer to ensure that it was not corrupted or tampered with during download. Go to your Downloads folder or Home folder if downloaded via CLI and double-click the installer to launch. Click Next, and then agree to Anaconda's Terms of Service, TOS. Select an installation option. Just me, recommended. Select a destination folder to install Miniconda, then click Next. Customize your installation options. Click Install. The installation might take a few minutes to complete. Click Show details to view the packages being installed. Click Next twice, then click Finish to close the installer. To check if Miniconda has been successfully installed, open the Anaconda prompt on Windows and enter the command, Conda v. If successful, you will see the version number displayed, e.g., Conda 2611.
Step 2. Create Conda environment. The first line of the YML file sets the new environment's name. Open Anaconda prompt. Navigate to the folder containing the environment file. Use the following Conda environment if you're facing any dependency issues. The command conda ncreate door environment.yml is used to create a new Conda virtual environment based on a configuration file. It reads the environment.yml file in your current directory and installs all specified packages, dependencies, and Python versions into a new environment. The flag of DUF stands for File, allowing you to point to a specific YAML file. If your file is named something else, again, devd, dus eaml, you would use conda and create f dus eml. The name, by default, the new environment's name is taken from the name field inside the YAML file. To override this, use conda environment create f environment.yml and custom name. Conda does not check architecture or dependencies when installing from a spec file. To ensure that the packages work correctly, make sure that the file was created from a working environment, and use it on the same architecture, operating system, and platform. After the installation finishes, activate the environment using the name defined in the file. Conda activate Qwen3-will. Step 3. Create a Python script. After installation, you can import Qwen3-TTS model to run custom voice TTS, so voice design and voice clone. Qwen3-TTS covers 10 major languages: Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, German, French, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, and Italian, as well as multiple dialectal voice profiles to meet global application needs. In addition, the models feature strong contextual understanding, enabling adaptive control of tone, speaking rate, and emotional expression based on instructions and text semantics. And they show markedly improved robustness to noisy input text. Key features: powerful speech representation. Powered by the self-developed Qwen3-Tokizer 12 Hz. It achieves efficient acoustic compression and high-dimensional semantic modeling of speech signals. It fully preserves paralinguistic information and acoustic environmental features, enabling high-speed, high-fidelity speech reconstruction through a lightweight non-DIT architecture. Universal end-to-end architecture. Utilizing a discrete multi-code book LM architecture, it realizes full information end-to-end speech modeling. This completely bypasses the information bottlenecks and cascading errors inherent in traditional LM-to-PACE schemes, significantly enhancing the model's versatility, generation efficiency, and performance ceiling. Extreme low latency streaming generation. Based on the innovative dual-track hybrid streaming generation architecture, a single model supports both streaming and non-streaming generation. It can output the first audio packet immediately after a single character is input, with end-to-end synthesis latency as low as 97 milliseconds, meeting the rigorous demands of real-time interactive scenarios. We recommend using each speaker's native language for the best quality. Of course, each speaker can speak any language supported by the model. We have conducted a comprehensive evaluation of Qwen3-TTS across dimensions such as voice clone, voice design, and control. The results demonstrate that it has achieved CUDA performance across multiple metrics. Specifically, in voice design tasks, Sally Nashed voice design outperformed the Minimax voice design closed-source model in both instruction-following capability and generative expressiveness on the Instruct Sidvale benchmark, while significantly leading other open-source models. In voice control tasks, Qwen3-W Instruct demonstrates single-speaker multilingual generalization with an average word error rate of 2.34%. It also features the ability to maintain timbre while providing precise style control, achieving a score of 75.4% on Instruct Timbre. Furthermore, it shows exceptional long-form speech generation capabilities with a WR of 2.36% Instruct and 2.81% English during continuous 10-minute synthesis. In voice clone tasks, Qwen3 Nashed in speech in CDTS in speech stability for both Chinese and English cloning on C-Seville. On the TTS multilingual test set across 10 languages, it achieved an average WR of 1.835% and a speaker similarity of W for Time-lapse 04. Hello, this is a test. Thanks for watching!